எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பேர் சித்து. வலினம் தமிழில் என்னோட முதல் படம். I'm really happy I'm doing it in such a big production and mainly in Arivalgan sir's director. Don't smile, Nakul. I'm pretty nervous because I don't speak Tamil. Tamil ரொம்ப தெரியாது, கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் தான் தெரியும். I'm really happy that I'm doing this film in such a big banner, and when first Arivalgan sir came to Hyderabad for a location scout, and then he saw those posters, LBW posters were put up in the city, and he saw those posters and he called me and he said, there's this character Ma, this is how he talks, this character Ma, this very nice character in my film, it has a lot of negative shades Ma, a lot of variations. I will not tell you that it is very big character and call you till Chennai. How much I am telling, that much only will be there, he said. So I said, sir, I'm doing films as lead, so do you think if I do this character it will help me? Then he sent me a synopsis of the character, and then I read the synopsis and I found the character really interesting. It's a very subtle, less dialogues and more of expressions kind of thing, and I really thank him for giving me this opportunity. This is my first film in Tamil and I'm glad it's happening in such a big banner. And Taman sir, of course, there's nothing new I can say about him which hasn't already been said. He's fantastic at what he does. He's massive in Telugu and in Tamil as well. And stress buster Mr. Jagan, he's always on the set whenever we're shooting, and I find it difficult sometimes to tell my dialogues, and he's there, poda, Telugu dubbing, poda ni. He says stuff like that. So half of them I don't even understand. I just laugh because everybody else is laughing. And coming to Nakul, I don't have words to describe this guy. He's very crazy actually. And like Jagan said, he knows everything from aliens to Zippo lighters to what's happening in Uganda when earthquake came in 1967, whatever. You ask him anything. He has some knowledge about everything. And Mrudula, we both actually share this thing because she's also newcomer and I'm newcomer here. So we share the newcomer thing, who are always nervous and, who are always a little tensed. And our associate directors, Mani has helped me a lot in this film. Mani, I've given a lot of pain to Mani. Every day he has to come to my room, give me my dialogues, and come to my room in a sense, in a brotherly way, anyways. The best we're getting is romantic, okay? He's coming to my room and giving me my dialogues and all. I really thank the whole team, Feroz, Yuvraj, and the cameraman sir, Bhaskar sir. He's been really patient with all my takes and retakes because I don't speak the language. I'm really happy I'm doing this, and Romba Nandri.